This tutorial will show you how to install Pokemon Rumble Rush to your Android device. The game is currently only available in a few select countries, so if you're not able to find or download the game from the Google Play Store, you will need to manually install the game. It's easy. First, we'll need to download the Pokemon Rumble Rush APK file. I'll have all download links in the description box below. After it's done downloading, open it. Depending on your Android version, you may get prompted to turn on apps from unknown sources. This option should be under Settings, and then Security. Now install the game. That's it. Let's test it out. I hope this video helped you out. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks.